Country, the children and the women of this country, and myself, I feel ashamed of this event. The central government and the state government is giving nutrition food to all the mothers and the children of this nation. The child development officer, he has approved a Godan, and where packing and everything was been reaching. It is the government departments, sugar, food, dal, rice, wheat and all these items. In the same place, where this sugar, this is a government packet. Same place the thread has been removed here. Thread has been removed, repacked in the name of BJP. Either it is wheat, or dal, or sugar, or all the nutrition items. This has been done. Earlier I had shown in Imbavali constituency that a Prime Minister photograph, Chief Minister photograph and MLA photograph was being pasted and distributed
on the boxes,
which was being produced by Akshaya Patra. But initially, okay, we gave a warning to them. No action has been taken. Food grains were being seized. Rice was being seized, which was being sent to Tamil Nadu for trade. Our own people went to purchase there. We found it out. They said that no, the Godan belongs to the. But today, my honorable member of the parliament, Mr. D.K. Suresh, Mr. Shivanna, who is the MLA, my Ugrappa, they visited this spot. They got the information from my BJP friends that this is what is going on. The children, the women, nutrition food has been repacked and sold and distributed to in the name of the BJP party. We didn't have any option. We had to prove ourselves. We had to go there. We have seized it. The officers, the police officers and the concerned department have filed a complaint. Not even a single arrest have been done. 1 month we have given a grace period. I wanted the Honorable Chief Minister to immediately arrest them. Immediately take action on them to protect the law, to protect the culprit. The Honorable MP is going to send this cover packet to the Prime Minister of this country. He doesn't know, I don't tell, it is the Prime Minister's responsibility or the Chief Minister. But Chief Minister is in charge of the district. He is in charge of this district. Without his knowledge, nothing can run. Without protecting his workers, nothing can run. Last 10 hours, 12 hours, this incident has come out, but still no arrest has been done. If he doesn't take action, there is no option. This Congress party will have to come to the streets. We will come. There are so many issues. Already I have come up. I have requested. There are so many scandals which has been on this issue. Either in the milk or various sanitizers, in rice and packets. There are so many issues. But here, this is a blanket proof which we are showing. There is nothing hidden agenda in this. It is the greatest, the misuse of power you have done.
Sir, what was the official statement by the officers who visited?
Official have already agreed on record. He has agreed that it is a purely government. He himself has filed a police complaint. You have not arrested my Chief Minister. You have not arrested. Do you want us to close our eyes, close our mouth in the name of these children? If you doesn't have money, you please tell.
Sir, even before you raised one issue that some of the BJP workers are distributing food in the name of Seva Karyakartas. Other side, Mr. MP has also once revealed that some godowns are being storing illegally the food, groceries and then in this. This is the third incident.
That is what I am telling you. We are showing what more we can do. I demand a judicial inquiry. I demand the arrest of the concerned people. Otherwise, there is no option to be on the streets of Karnataka.
When ANI spoke to some of the leaders of BJP, they said let them prove it first.
The government will have to take a course. It is not me. I am the leader of the political party, a president of a political party. I am doing my job. Let the government and the law do its job.
Sir, what was the quantity in the godowns?
What more the evidence you need then?
What was the quantity was there in godowns? Sir?
I am not a weighman. There is a lot of documents. There are lot of documents, lot of evidence. At the same time, almost 1 month this is going on there. 1 month. At the same time, I have appealed to the Chief Minister of the state. You please don't collect any money, any fees for the transportation of the migrant workers. Don't collect any money. Give them from the government share, government account. The people of Karnataka has given volunteer pass. It is a one-time free pass. If you can't afford, you please tell us. We will beg on the streets of Karnataka. We will give you the money.
So people were asking the same thing. Is this the government so poor that collecting 1/3 bus charges, bus fares?
Triple charges they are collecting. They are not giving them food. You are telling no one should be on hunger. You are sending them on hunger. What is that management you have done? Every citizen, every transporter, you are collecting the documents. You know from which village they are. You are getting the phone numbers. Can't the government pay money to the KSRTC? Can't they pay to the railways? I appeal to the government of Karnataka from the government share. Or we have donated money. We have given our salaries. Still we are ready to give our salaries. I also have some money from the party. I am ready to share. Let us all share. Let us help these poor people. Don't harass them. Don't harass them. They have been working for the state of Karnataka. They are living here. They are our brothers. They are our sisters. They are our children.
So government of Karnataka has came with a new statement by saying we will charge single charge and will send us. Is government so poor to collect single charge? So where you are bringing people
See,
from?
after I appealed, he has said that his ego will come down. So he has said that is a single charge.
Why single charge?
Why single charge? What is there? 45 days there is no work. You gave them 4 hours, you closed them. No one is giving money. You are not given to their account anything. Only they are just surviving. They will go to their houses. They will come back. 8,000 crores welfare fund is there. Government money is there. After all, how much it will cost? Some 200 buses, 300 buses, 500 buses. All migrants will go to their villages, see their family members, see their brothers, sisters, parents,
Sir,
and they will come back.
Is it government not capable to bear the bus charges? Sir?
This is
Is that the problem?
what I am asking to my Chief Minister.